The crypto millionaires of the future are ready. In fact, they've been getting ready throughout an entire bear market for this asset class. Now, if you're here watching this content and you're looking into cryptocurrencies right now, you are probably getting ready for a bull market, and you probably also want to try to become one of those millionaires we're talking about. Well, today we're going to talk about why this inflow is coming into the crypto market, some examples of how you can get rich here in crypto, and what I'm looking at when it comes to metrics for why this is coming out, guys. Let's look at some key levels. Let's see what's going on right now in the market, and let's get into it. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk some cryptocurrencies. Now, just out of the gates, I want to tell you, today's a down day in crypto. I mean, and when I say down, the market's at zero, okay? Zero, up zero, down zero. It's flat, but there are some performers. Now, in the last 7 days, still, you'll see a couple coins up 70%, 55%. Again, people are getting ready and looking for these coins that are about to rally. Now, the top tokens are cooling off after a massive run in anticipation for a bull market. You're looking at the overall market cap, and from the bottom of this market, the overall market cap for crypto has come up about 85 to 90%. Now, a lot of people, Kathy Wood included, is looking for possibly a $20+ trillion market cap, giving us 13x gains for the overall market from here. But inevitably, some of the smaller cap tokens are going to absolutely explode and make millionaires. You can see here this actually the stock to flow model, kind of how these bull cycles play out. We move from blue into the red, into the orange, into the yellow, and then green is kind of the end of this bull market, which, you know, we had previously. Now we're coming up out of the blue, and we're going to do it all over again. It's actually going to be very interesting to see how this market can try to get back up and follow this level continuing. And this is what people are anticipating right now. What I also want to highlight is just in the last month, as a lot of these tokens have been rallying, you see that looking at Defi Llama, you can see all the chains when it comes to DeFi in crypto. Ethereum being the #1 chain in the last month, 34% more money has flown in to the DeFi protocols on Ethereum. Very interesting to see how this has happened over the last month. Now, what does this tell us, guys? This tells us that the Ethereum tokens are also growing because more people are using these protocols, interacting with these smart contracts, and then buying some of the Ethereum tokens, and same for some of these other coins. You can see that Avalanche also had massive inflows. Cronos had massive inflows, 28% gains in terms of 8% more inflows into this. Look at Solana with 131% over a 1 month change because the price of Solana has gone up 200%. Now, these tokens you can make a lot of money on. These are tokens. They're also DeFi plays where these are smart contract opportunities where developers can come in and build in these ecosystems. There are coins within these ecosystems that I'm going to be looking at to try to pick up. VVS Finance is a DEX in the Cronos ecosystem. Tectonic is a borrowing and lending protocol. Fulcrum, one that I'm interested in, is a leverage trading protocol on the Cronos chain, which I think is very popular, and I think this can get more volume in it over time, and the token can go up. But there are a variety of coins that you can look at, looking through the chains that are going to catch this massive pump that we're talking about. You just look at all the things that are happening, and here's a perfect example. You see Ethereum and some of these other chains that are big chains. Well, there's new projects that are coming out of the woodwork. Caspa isn't quite built like Ethereum. In fact, it's a different type of blockchain, which is very interesting. But it's a very hot token that people are excited about. Looking at the overall chart, this thing's up 74,000%, which is insane. In the last year alone, though, it's up 2,100%. People were getting rich during a bear market. If you bought this token, then you're preparing yourself. Now, there are a lot of ways to find gems in this, but just note this, guys. I found this chart the other day that I want to share with you guys. We are in a time where what you're looking at is raises and an overview of all the raises. And you can see some of the things that have gotten some money raised for them recently. One of them is a Bitcoin project, Taproots Wizards on Ordinals. It's actually right here. You can see Bitcoin Ordinals. This is essentially NFTs, and they might have more going on with this Taproots Wizard thing, but it is cartoon wizards. And it got $7.5 million worth of funding. I was talking about that in a short the other day. But what I want you guys to note is this is only the beginning. And so when more, and what this is institutional money backing these projects, or even just investors that have a lot of money, whales, coming in and backing these fundings of these new projects, this is very low right now. And this is where we're at. And there's a lot more upside coming. So the millionaires of the future, in my opinion, are looking out for what the next altcoin gems are, which is what we're doing here on this channel every single day, guys. I'm so excited to see altcoins rally. One thing I'm keeping an eye on is Ethereum. Ethereum needs to break out of this triangle. We've already had an altcoin rally, which kind of mirrors Ethereum's move right here at least, but as Ethereum cools off, there is a chance that altcoins cool off. Some altcoins will absolutely continue to outpace Ethereum, but when Ethereum really breaks out, guys, when Ethereum really breaks out as the #2 cryptocurrency, it is a signal that altcoins are ready to rally some more, in my opinion, guys. And these are some of the things that I look at on a day-to-day basis. I'm doing 5 videos with my partner on the channel, Black Sea, every day to try to give you guys the latest and greatest crypto picks. Recently, one of the picks I picked up was Ordinals, actually, where that Taproots Wizard thing was actually launched on. Ordinals as its own token, which is very interesting. I think developers are going to be building on Bitcoin next bull cycle, even though some Bitcoin maxis don't quite like that. That's a whole nother story, guys, but you can see I'm very passionate about the topic, and I want to give you guys a lot of information. That's enough for this video, though. In this one, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember, it's a DCA HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.